I screwed the screw, guys. Alright, I got no choice but to destroy the screw. It is literally not coming out. This is my 27 MacBook Pro, but it has FlexGate, meaning this cable tears over time and the backlight does not function. The worst part is, older 2016 models have the exact same issue as the 2017 ones, but they get a free replacement program. My advice is if you're looking at buying a used MacBook, you should definitely skip the 2016 to 2019 MacBooks, as they have had multiple issues, mainly keyboard problems. The dreaded August 24th. Well, it was supposed to be quite an amazing day, turned out pretty crappy. So, I got my new MacBook Pro screen to replace my old faulty one, but here is where it all started to go wrong. Pretty much, this graphics cable was actually teared, like you can see it has a slight tear right there. I did not notice this. I didn't know if this actually happened during the repair, or after it, or before it. I actually don't know, but that photo was taken after I attempted to fix it. I still recorded this because it was supposed to be a good sort of video, but like after that happened and I tried to troubleshoot it, like I kept unplugging the battery to see if I could, like, if it actually wasn't the cable, because at that point I didn't know, and then I broke the battery connector, meaning I have no battery for this MacBook. And to add insult to injury, I also got my brand new Ender 3 V3 SE that day, which is obviously like, it's a 3D printer, and there will be a video on that too, don't worry, but that also, bad things happened, so yeah, not a good day for me. But I still recorded some of what I got, so enjoy, I guess. Alright, well guys, basically, MacBook is here. We have the replacement screen, so let's get straight to it then, I guess. Yeah. Let's get this bottom panel off. Our screw is out. Now, because it's Apple, of course, they make it tricky to remove the bottom panels. You need like suction cups and like pries and stuff. Okay, that's one pick. Now that should be the last one, and now it's just pushing the bottom cover this way. Ouch, that really hurts my fingers. But boom, we're in. So, it wasn't too difficult, I guess. Okay, so battery has been disconnected. We can now turn this guy over and work on those two little plastic covers. Okay, things are done. Now, when I was in here before, I believe I accidentally like destroyed these two screws. I accidentally stripped them, so they're not gonna come out easily. For some reason, even though this is supposed to be a Torx 3, this Hexagon 1.0 works with this screw. It is so fricked up, it's really difficult to see, but obviously you can see there's like silver there, which is never a good sign. So yeah, it's not looking great for this. Alright, now we want these brackets on the side. Alright, now this is probably the most irritating part. We have to remove this antenna assembly, and there are so many tiny screws. Who thought this was a good idea? I screwed the screw, guys. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to come back to that. That's pretty frustrating. I hate tiny screws so much. They always strip. Oh my gosh. Okay, I actually spent like 5 minutes trying to get this stupid screw out. Alright, I got no choice but to destroy this screw. It is literally not coming out. Alright, I'm really annoyed. We have a drill. Let's get this over with. I just don't want to destroy. Oh, I hate stripped screws. I hate stripped screws. I didn't do too much damage. You can obviously see where it's been drilled out. Yep, you heard me right. Freaking drilled out. This took way too long and was way too painful. Okay, well, that's fine. We have done it. Now we move on. Okay, I'm being really careful now to make sure I don't scrape another freaking screw. Right, so now that is freed, it is literally just the hinge screws. Here's where the real work begins. Now we need to put it on its side like this. I can't really get a really good view here. So we're undoing those screws right there. These ones are tough because they would have like thread locker. That's the top done. Now again, it's really hard for me to film this, but I'll undo the bottom ones. They're the exact same actually, so I might just skip that. Last screw has been removed. Now we literally just take the screen off. So I'm gonna go like this, just so you guys can see better. Okay, that's it. Haha, I snapped it in half. No, I didn't, but that would kind of be funny. Alright, well that's the old display. The new one is here. So let's get that reattached. Okay, maybe this box won't work so well. So we'll ditch the box and we'll go on this side. Okay, that's one side, click in. There we go. Okay, so... Okay, I won't fully tighten these, and I'll show you why in a second. Okay, turned it back around again. Alright, so now the hinges are in. Looks like I've done a pretty good job actually. Seems quite aligned. Now I will tighten these screws. The first thing is these two little brackets where my fingers are. Okay, that's one of the brackets in. Now for probably the most irritating part. Yay! Basically, we need to get these cables under the heatsink and then back up through that. So we're gonna have to use some precision and some time. Yes, okay, got it. Actually, I might screw this in first. Let's screw in the T-con board then. Alright, these 4 screws are done. Now it's just next onto the really annoying tiny screws. Oh my gosh, I just realized I'm actually so freaking stupid. So I recorded this video in 2 parts basically. So the first part was like 1 hour long, you just saw that. And then I realized just today, I accidentally deleted the second part. It was like 20 minutes long, but that's when I closed up the MacBook. So are you freaking serious? Eventually, like I do actually have end results, so I'll show them to you in a second. But this video is such a fail. How did I manage to do that? I'm so unbelievably stupid. Okay, so we've got the port here. Because the battery was dead when I used this, which is something to note. Power button. Oh, yes. Oh, we got some lines though. Oh. Okay. Well, the backlight works, but we have another issue. I'm gonna get onto this and see if I can deal with it. We have a graphics issue. So, on the other one, the backlight wasn't working. On this one, the graphics cables